Welcome to Landmark Learning. In this video, I will show how to use NETool as a completion and well builder tool for reservoir simulators. Usually reservoir simulators don't have convenient interfaces for complex well design. So here in NETool I take a simple reservoir model, define a multilateral well in it, So now I have created a well with two fish bones and the main bore connecting them. The next step is to define segmentation. For the main bore and laterals. And I will place inflow control devices in one of the well with packers like this. For the lateral one I will make a cased hole gravel pack. And in the main bore I will install screens except for the assembly where laterals come in. So I do some isolation here. Make it a blank pipe. Remove the screen, and now I have an ICV assembly. Now make packers slightly smaller. Select segments where my ICVs will be installed. That's next to the middle packer. Select them to be inflow control valves. And select how laterals are connected to the main bore. You can see these green arrows have decreased and now are connected here instead of the tubing. So now it's a simple MLT junction in the main bore. Lateral 1 is cased hole gravel pack. Lateral 2 is inflow control devices with packers. Now for the flow rate, we leave a default downhole flow rate of 6,000 barrels per day. And run simulation, and NETool gives us the total production for the well, main bore and laterals. So for example we can see how the oil cumulative rate builds up in the main bore and laterals. Now after we are happy with the well design and performance, we need to submit it to the reservoir simulator. The easiest way for that is to use export well designed feature. There are two options for Nexus and Eclipse keywords. We give Eclipse well name that will be used in the file and specify the maximum length. So the smaller this length is, more nodes NETool will create, and slower reservoir simulation will be, but it will be more accurate and representative. After that we press next, and NETool automatically generates the text that can be inserted into reservoir simulator deck. So this file will represent the actual completion node by node for all 3 laterals. Thank you for watching.